Welcome back to Learning with a Difference News Headlines in English for 27th of September. And first of all, national news. Supreme Court granted relief to Shah Rukh Khan in 2017 stampede case. High Court asked senior lawyers to pay enough stipend to juniors. Could disrupt public order. Center blocked 45 YouTube videos. JNU likely to launch portal for UG admission through Common University Entrance Test on September 27. Odisha Chief Minister released 5-volume encyclopedia of all tribes. Thousands of tons of apple rotting in trucks stranded on highway in Kashmir. Notice to center on plea challenging amendments to Child Rights Act. Let's resolve to make India Atmanirbhar by 2047, President Draupadi Murmu. Hindustan Aeronautics sets up 208 crore rocket engine manufacturing hub. And now some international news. PM Modi to hold bilateral meeting with Japan Prime Minister on Tokyo visit. Pak PM slammed for UN speech which omitted terror groups in his country. South Korea and the United States begin their first combined naval exercise near the peninsula in 5 years on Monday. Google's India policy head Archana Gulati resigned. And now some sports news. T20 international rankings, India goes 7 points clear of England at top. India face Vietnam test in Hang Thien football tournament. Andy Murray backed Roger Federer as future Lever Cup captain. Francis Tiafoe stars as Team World won first Lever Cup title. I will be there too, Roger Federer to be at next year's Lever Cup from a different position. Adam Gilchrist backed big hitter to be part of Australia's T20 World Cup team. Now news related to business. Sensex Nifty extended crash, tracking a sell-off in global risk assets. Crude prices fall below $85 per barrel for first time since January. Rupee may sink to 82.50 on rising dollar, funding gap IDFC Bank. Apple said excited to be manufacturing iPhone 14 in India. No coercive action against Anil Ambani until November 17. Bombay High Court. Samsung to attract 175 million existing customers with cashback card. Tax cut plans pull British pound to 4-decade lows. S&P Global retains India's 2022-23 growth hopes at 7.3%. Now news related to science and technology. ISRO Mars orbiter mission completed 8 years in orbit, well beyond planned 6-month lifespan. NASA aimed to redirect asteroid in DART mission's first attempt at planetary defense. Saturn's moon Enceladus has almost all ingredients for life to survive, a study said. Earth harbors 20 trillion ants and they weigh more than wild birds and mammals combined. Scientists propose new DNA-based nomenclature system for single-celled organism. World seeing India as inspirational place in space sector, ISRO chief. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.